Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then my name is Sarah. I'm from Ireland and I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. Today's video is going to be using the Makeup Revolution palette. This is one of the most beautiful palettes I've ever seen in my entire life. It's got gorgeous cool tone greens and blues and I don't know, just everything about this palette makes me happy, and I know you guys really enjoyed the last Makeup Revolution video I did, so I picked up a couple of more palettes to do some looks with and some reviews on. I don't think there's much of a review really for Makeup Revolution palettes anymore because I'm just so impressed with the last couple of palettes I got, and this one also did not disappoint. I created this mint green look. I was just feeling mint today. I was just really inspired by pastel shades, maybe because we're in spring and I'm looking out at the beautiful sunshine outside and I can't go out and enjoy it, so might as well make the most of it and create some spring looks. So I really do hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below. It would mean the world to me. Let me know what you're up to during this really tough period, how you're getting on. I really do hope you enjoy this video, and I hope I get to see you in my next one. Enjoy! I woke up this morning and I was like, yes, today is the day I do a pastel green look. I don't know, I think it's because Huda Beauty has her collection and Colourpop as well, and I've really been inspired by the pastel collections and I've just been really drawn to green lately. I think I was saying this in one of my past videos, so yeah. I am doing this look today, which is totally outside of the box and completely different from me, but I actually really like it. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is a gorgeous matte green. Again, I was drawn to this palette. I just love the, which is really weird saying out loud. I was going to say I love cool shades because I'm such a warm shade person that it feels weird even saying I like the cool shades out loud. But I do, I'm just really drawn to them. So we are going to dip into Drench on our trusty blending brush. You guys know I'm always going to go into this first. This is the E20 from Blank Canvas, and this is just going to be my transition shade. So we're just going to pop this right across the crease, swirling it around, and then we're going to blend it up to the brow bone. I'm now going to take Crystal, which is just a little bit deeper than the first shade, and I'm going into a smaller blending brush. This is actually a MAC blending brush, but I mean you can get these type of blending brushes in any different brand at this point. So I'm just going to swirl the brush around, and this is going right into the crease but not as high as the first colour, and this is just to deepen up the first shade, to make the crease look like a little bit more pigmented and also get it ready for cutting the crease, which we will be doing in a while. I know I said this in one of my past Makeup Revolution videos, but I'm just so impressed with their eyeshadows lately. They've really, oh my god, they've really done a U-turn. I'm so impressed, and this palette just gives me life. I just love all the blues and the greens. I just love it so much. So we're just deepening up that crease. I'm also going to swirl a little bit here on the outer corner because even though I am cutting the crease, I'm only going to go to the center of the eye. I'm not going to bring it right out to the outer corner. And it's really the only reason I'm cutting the crease today is because I wanted a nice clean base here in the front so I could apply some glitter and really make it pop. So I mean you can totally do this look without cutting the crease if you find it too difficult, but I'm just going to be doing it today to really make the shimmer pop. I'm now going to go into Melt right here, which is again a little bit deeper than the last two shades, and this again is going to go right into the crease, but I'm focusing it mostly here on the outer corner. Right into the crease. How is everyone coping at the minute with the situation in the world right now? It's pretty scary. The best way I'm dealing with it is creating loads of content and just pretty much putting my heart and soul into that just to distract me from what's going on in real life, and also just so I'm not sitting at home watching TV or scrolling. I'm actually doing something productive with my time, I feel, and I don't know, that's getting me through, and I think that's the best thing for me right now with my mental health. I'm out of work at the minute because of the C word, and it's been really tough. Like, I just really want to get back into work and start making money. You know, we have our wedding coming up and we're meant to be saving, and it's just putting a lot of stress on us and everyone. And not only that, like, put the whole job situation aside, it's just a really weird situation. I don't think anyone has in our lifetime has experienced this before, and it's frightening. It really, really is. And I just hope that you're all keeping safe and well, and just know that my inbox is always open on any of my platforms, and you know, I'm always here to chat and to listen. It's a really terrifying time, and we really just have to look after our own mental health and just throw your all into something that makes you happy. Find a new hobby, learn a new language, sing, dance, just do something that can take your mind away from everything that's going on. Stop scrolling on social media. You know, if you need to go on, look at things that make you happy, look at other, I don't know, content creators, you know, watch YouTube videos, do something that will make you smile, make you feel good, and stay away from the news and the media, because I feel, with me anyway, when I'm scrolling and looking up things, it's just making everything 10 times worse, because I am freaking myself out and worrying about the future, when we just have to kind of live in the moment and I suppose see the positives of a really crappy situation, if that makes sense, because it is crappy. It is what it is. We can't do anything about it, and we just have to ride it out and just pray that we all stay safe. We just have to pray that we all stay safe and healthy and look after each other and just be there for each other. I think that's the most important thing. So, I just went on a bit of a rant there, so I'm gonna go cut my crease now. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Correct Concealer. This is in white, and I find this is great for, you know, shades like this when you really want to make the lid pop. And I'm using this Blank Canvas Cosmetics brush. It's the E44, and I just popped a little bit in the back of my hand. I just find it easier just to dip into that, and I just like to kind of brush the brush downwards, if that makes sense. So you're coating one side of the brush, and then literally I just want to drag it down my lid. So I like to find the point that I want to cut, which is like right above my crease here. So if you can't find your crease, just look straight ahead, and it's like literally right above, like the top of your eyeball. So I find that mark, and then I literally just drag the brush down, and then I like to just kind of go over and mark out. I'm just using the tip of the brush just to kind of carve out the top of the cut crease. I'm literally just going around the top of the crease here just to kind of get the outline, and then I'm just dragging the brush down like so. You carve it out, and like I said, I'm stopping it here. I will be kind of going in with the deeper shades, but I just want the inner corner to pop. I'm now going to take more of that Melt shade, and we're just going to start patting this into the inner corner and just kind of softly blending it into the concealer. Now I'm taking more of Crystal, and we're just going to pop this right in the center and then tapping it into the inner corner. So you're just kind of setting the concealer in place. Can't forget about the lower lash line as well, so I'm just taking a little bit of Drench and Crystal, the first two mint shades, and we're just going to sweep this on the lower lash line, just like connecting it from the top lid right down. So I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer to the lid, so I'm going to be taking Icicle right here, which is kind of like a shimmery mint shade, and I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to soak it with some setting spray. Okay, try not to eat it while you're at it. And I'm just going to pop this focusing it mainly in the center of the lid. Like bringing it right down from where you cut the crease down to the lash line. And then I'm just going to start patting it into the inner corner. So I decided I wanted to add a little bit more glitter to the look. So I took this glitter eyeshadow from Bperfect Cosmetics. It's like their liquid glitter shadows. And I just put a tiny bit here, just on the heel of my hand. Is that what you call it? No. It's the heel of your foot. So what's that? I know it's your palm, but is that the heel of your palm? Is that a thing? The heel of your palm. I'm just going to put some of the glitter on the back of my hand, or the palm of my hand. I'm going to take the same flat eyeshadow brush and we're just going to dip into the glitter. And then looking straight into a mirror, you want to take the brush right from where you cut the crease and just bring it right down the middle. And then I'm just going to start tapping it just so the glitter or the shadow dries. I'm just going to deepen up the lower lash line, so I'm going to take a little bit of break right here, that outer corner green, on a pencil brush. I'm just going to bring that right under, keeping it nice and tight to where your lashes grow. I'm going to go back with the flat eyeshadow brush we used a while ago, and I'm going to use Cool, which is this white shade right here, and I'm just going to pop this right on the brow bone. And now we are ready for some liner. Oh, I forgot about the waterline as well. Just going to put a little bit of nude liner on the waterline. Oh my god, you guys, I just started applying mascara and then I was like, oh my god, I never put on my liner. I've never applied my liner after my mascara, so I hope it turns out okay. So I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash liner. I'm just going to give it a good shake. So we're just going to line it up with the lower lash line. Like so. Yep. And then once you have your line in place, we're going to go right up, just maybe about like a millimeter away from the tip, and we're just going to bring that right down. I kind of flip my hand around, go to the center, and then bring it right in to the inner corner. For lashes, I use the Prima Lash in Dainty, and these I absolutely adore. I just think they're really fluttery and absolutely beautiful. They fit nicely on my eye and everything, so yeah, I really like that. And then for lips, I'm going to be using Pixi, which is a Posh Nude, and Kylie Jenner's matte lipstick in Dirty Peach. So I'm going to pop this on all over, and I'm just going to pop this on right in the middle, and then I'm going to finish off with a little bit of gloss. I just grabbed So Cute, which is another Kylie Jenner gloss. I actually have loads of lipsticks and I've laid them all out in a drawer here next to me, and I'm going to make it my mission to use as many lipsticks as possible because I've built up some collection over the years and it's just such a waste. So I want to make sure before I buy more lipsticks that I use everything I have. So there's a challenge. You can hold me to that. And this is it. This is the finished look. I really hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment below. I'll leave all the information in the description box as per usual. If you'd like to see the complexion and the bronzy side of this video, you can check out my Instagram. I did a 1-minute tutorial with the bronzing products I use in this video. That's it. Have an amazing weekend, and I hope I get to see you in my next video.